Our next question is from Kannan, who's writing in from Kerala, his question is on KPIT Tech. He's holding 93 odd shares at an average price of 1310 and wants to know if he can add more at the current levels to average out or not for the next 1 to 2 odd years. Avinash, I'll come to you on this one. We had an update on this company yesterday, and it said that it's buying 100% in Caresoft's global engineering business. What's the outlook like when it comes to KPIT Tech? Should he continue to hold and add more at the current levels?
Yeah, I think my can continue to hold within the mid-cap IT company space. KPIT is definitely a promising play. Our sense is that not only is the order book quite encouraging, but I think execution has also been quite solid. My sense is that you could see a little bit of more order book trajectory in the second half of this financial year. And I think if he wants to add, I think he should probably wait for a slight, deeper to moderate correction, and that could possibly give him a better risk reward. But I think definitely 12 to 18 months, if he can hold on, he could definitely expect a decent risk reward going forward.
Continue to hold for the next 12 to 8 months to see a decent reward on KPIT Tech. All right, the next question is from Harshad, who's writing it from Mumbai, saying that he's a senior citizen and he's bought 7,500 odd shares of Suzlon Energy at 68 apiece from a longer term perspective and wants an outlook on this counter. Avinash, I'll again stick with you for this one. Suzlon Energy, what's the outlook like?
I think, currently the price at which he has entered, I think he needs to take at least a 2-year view, because I think wind energy market is growing rapidly. Suzlon is a market leader here. They have a very large order book, which I think continues to give very strong revenue visibility. So I think things stand to be quite positive. But I think in the very near term, there could be some selling pressure because a lot of old investors who have entered earlier may book out, a little bit of profits. But I think recently the company saw a lot of new institutional investors have entered the stock. My sense is that 2 years is definitely a good amount of time frame where he can think of making a decent alpha, and probably he can stay invested here.
Okay, so that's with regards to where Suzlon Energy stands. Our next